Randall, AT&T had a big day today. The Justice Department came back out with its appeal, trying to stop the AT&T Time Warner deal, or trying to come back at it. How did things go today in this first day in the courtroom?
So I wasn't in the courtroom. I've obviously just gotten reports from the legal team, but it sounded like it went well. The judges were asking questions about errors in law and not factual issues, and so they were trying to pinpoint were there errors in law made by Judge Leon in his order. And so just based on what I have read and conversations I've had, it sounded like it went well, and so we feel pretty good. We felt good going in that Judge Leon had written an order that was fact specific, and it was very specific to the AT&T Time Warner case. It didn't have broad application. And so given that order, it was a tight order. We felt good going in, and after today's hearing, we feel confident.
I had heard expectations that maybe we hear something by the spring. When are you thinking you get some sort of resolution on this?
So we reached an agreement with the Department of Justice that we would run Turner Networks as a separate company until February the 29th. And so, my guess is they'll probably try to get an order out before that date.
You made a lot of headlines this week with the news that you'd be going ahead and licensing Friends to Netflix for an additional year exclusively, and I believe after that the exclusivity wears off. That came after a lot of people thought you were going to be keeping content like that for your own OTT offering. When I heard about it and heard about the price that had been paid, or that had been reportedly paid, 3 times what was originally out there, I thought about a story you told me once where someone came and wanted to buy your vacation house and you told them no, it wasn't for sale. He came back and offered you a higher price and you said no, it's not for sale. The 3rd time he came back and you sold him the house. Is that what kind of happened when it came to Netflix and Friends?
I don't know exactly how it played out. John Stankey and his team did that deal with Netflix, and Netflix is the one that reported that they had re-signed the Friends deal. But look, it's going to be an interesting 3 or 4 years coming up. Disney is launching their direct-to-consumer product. We'll be launching our direct-to-consumer product. We each have a lot of content that has been licensed out to other people, not just Netflix, but licensed out to other players in this ecosystem. And as we begin to pull our product together, we're going to want some of that content to put on our platforms. And some, like Friends, does it make sense to have it on a non-exclusive basis with others, but have it on your platform? Probably. There's some content you think, well, you'll want it exclusively on your platform. That would make sense as well. But this is going to play out interestingly over the next 3 or 4 years. I think this world is going to change dramatically as we all get into this business on a direct-to-consumer basis.